Hello everyone, my name is MD Motaleb here. I'm currently doing my master's in business analytics at St. Francis College. Today I'll be presenting on global IT outsourcing and company IT strategy. That's on Microsoft outsourcing approach basically. So global IT outsourcing is the practice of contracting IT functions, services or processes through third-party providers most often through the other countries to leverage the cost advantages, specialized skills, and global capabilities. Currently, we can see the global IT outsourcing market is huge, about 600 plus billion dollars, which is expected to grow more, maybe $1 trillion plus by 2030. Commonly, this IT outsourcing, the Microsoft IT outsourcing involves vendors in India, Philippines, Eastern Europe, and Latin America, covers the software development, cloud services, cybersecurity, help desk, and business process outsourcing. Their IT outsourcing accelerated by digital transformation, cloud computing, and remote work trends. However, currently we also see there is a shortage of uh, qualified IT skills across the world, across the globe, which is 4 million approximately. Despite the fact that this IT shortage, they are doing their outsourcing pretty well. So the benefits, if we see on the outsourcing, is huge. The part is cost reduction. Labor cost is 40 to 70% lower in offshoring market, which reduce the IT infrastructure, HR expenses, and overhead costs significantly low. Also, this IT outsourcing gives the access to the global talent, which talents are locally unavailable, so they can get a very cheaper talent across the globe. Also, it ensures the faster time to delivery as round-the-clock development is going on. So yeah, faster delivery is inevitable basically. By this outsourcing, they can scale up or scale down their IT capacity whenever they need. As they are outsourcing, so they are focusing on their core and they are uh, mainly focusing on developing their own part, means their innovation and core part internally. They can also access the global cutting edge technology through their vendors. Although there are, we can see huge benefit on the outsourcing, however, there are many challenges also. So if we see the major parts are security and data risk, as we share the data through external parties, there is exposure or breaches to intellectual property theft. Time zone differences, language gaps, and cultural misalignments might lead to misunderstanding and delays of the service delivery. Quality control, as uh, outsourcing is doing from various markets. So keeping the same quality at the same time in all markets is really very challenging without the robust governance. Although there are robust governance, however, there might be little challenges on keeping the unified quality. There are hidden costs on the outsourcing like vendor management, transition cost, contract negotiation. This may erode expected cost savings in the long run. And obviously, IT outsourcing, if we heavily depend on that, so we lose our control. So always we have to ensure that keeping the core inside and uh, doing the outsourcing on the non-core part. Sometimes we see geopolitical risk might hamper the overall service delivery, means political instability, regulatory changes, or economic shifts in vendor countries might disrupt the services and business. In summary, if we see the benefit versus the drawbacks, we see benefits consistently outweigh the drawbacks across all parameters. We see the strong positive impact on cost savings, talent access, and speed to the market. Let us discuss a few component on the company. Microsoft founded in 1975 by Bill Gates and Paul Allen and headquartered in Washington, USA. It has a revenue approximately $200 billion in 2023, as per the 2023 report. They have employees about 221,000 worldwide, and their market cap is approximately $3.1 trillion. The key products they are working with: Azure, Office 365, Windows, Copilot. Their IT strategy pillars are cloud first and AI everywhere, and they are focusing on security. They want a global skill. At the moment, they have 190 countries presence through their partners. Well, their platform and model are ecosystem-driven growth by third-party ISPs. Let us see how outsourcing shape Microsoft IT strategy. So they develop their software and cloud departments. So if we see, they partnered with Accenture, Infosys, Wipro, and Azure services. Offshore development centers in India handle large-scale coding workloads. The nearshore teams in Latham support .NET and DevOps pipelines. On the customer support and help desk part, uh, global network of outsourced support centers, they are doing 70 plus countries. Third-party BPO vendors for Tier 1 Microsoft 365 support. AI augmented agents reduce escalation to in-house staff. Cybersecurity operations, selective outsourcing of SOC monitoring to certified MSSPs, maintain in-house core security for sovereign data compliance. Zero trust model governs all third-party access to infrastructure. Strategic outcomes, if we see, saved 2 billion annually through vendor consolidation. They went to hybrid model, retain IP sensitive and R&D internally. That's their core. Their outsourcing enables faster entry into the emerging markets. So if we see their overall product mix, I mean estimated IT function mix, already they have outsourced 60% of their IT services and 40% they kept in their core, which is R&D and security part. They believe IT gives them the efficiency, and IT outsourcing work as the efficiency engine. However, their innovation engine, they kept it inside. Key takeaways from this Microsoft study is saying that balance is everything. Global IT outsourcing obviously enables powerful advantages, but companies should uh, decide it on carefully because it has a risk. So if you do the outsourcing, you have to be very strategic. So yeah, Microsoft model shows outsourcing is most effective when they are strategically used, not because of only for the cost savings. Rather, you have to see whether you need to do it for speeding up your operation, scaling up your operations, or gaining the market access, not only for cost cutting. Always keep the core in your inside, like in your innovation, as Microsoft kept their innovation and security inside in their core by their own talent, means they kept their core and they outsource the non-core functions. So always that has to be in the high priority. And the future is hybrid. So we have to go ahead with the other competitors. So leading companies adopt a hybrid model. So yes, strategic in-house teams plus specialized outsource capabilities by power, which is powered by AI augmentation. So we have to maintain that hybrid model and keeping the core always in hand so that in the long run we can sustain. Thank you so much for your hearing.